So you found your perfect FBA deal. Now how do you send it in? Today we show you the most up-to-date way to do it. So welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you the most updated way to send products into Amazon's warehouse. We have done a whole video on this before, but it was using the previous method. So today we're just going to be running you through how you actually arrange a shipment and send your products into Amazon's warehouse. So to do this, there are a few things you need. So you're going to need a printer, normal paper or label paper, packaging equipment such as boxes, poly bags, bubble wrap, and so on, and of course tape to actually secure the parcels. Now the product we're arranging shipment for today is this product from B&Q. So it's this Plumsure metal sink and bath plug. We can buy this one for £3.19. It currently sells on Amazon for £8.44, so a nice difference on this and a nice profit. So the first thing we need to do is actually add the product into our inventory on Amazon. So I'm just going to take the ASIN. I'm now on my Amazon seller account. This is just a test one I've got just to show you how it all works today. So to get on this page, all you have to do is head to catalog and then add your product. So now we're on this page. I'm going to put the ASIN into here. If we were gated, it would say here, but we'd always check that before buying any product. That's part of the analyzing. And what we're going to do is we're going to click new, and then we're going to click sell this product. This is going to open up the product details page where we can add in our SKU, our price, and our so on. So the first thing is the SKU. This means stock keeping unit. Only you can see this, and it's just to help you as a business manage your stock levels basically. So for today, we'll just put this as video ASIN 1. So the quantity in stock, we purchased 10 units, so we're going to put 10 in here. And then the price, we're just going to match the buy box price at the moment. So £8.44, £8.44. Once we've actually arranged a shipment, we then optimize the price and set up our repricer and so on. Now we're picking our condition, so this is a brand new product, and then you've got two options here: fulfillment channel, I will ship this myself, or Amazon will dispatch and provide customer service. Now, if we were doing merchant fulfilled, so we'd arrange our own shipment, we'd do this one. But as we're doing Amazon FBA, we're going to pick this one. And we always recommend to use Amazon FBA just because Amazon will favor you with the buy box. Obviously, your customers are going to be getting the item quicker, and they're going to have Amazon customer service and returns and so on. So we're going to pick this one just here. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom, and we're going to click save and finish. Okay, so now we've done that, it's going to take us to the choose barcode type page. And on this page, as it tells you by the name, we have to pick the barcode. So we basically have two options here. We have manufacturer barcode or Amazon barcode. Often you'll only get given the Amazon barcode, but what do both of these actually mean? So manufacturer barcode, this means you'll use the barcode which is already on the product. Amazon will use that to actually scan it and keep a track of it. Now Amazon barcode, that means you'll print off barcodes provided by Amazon and put them on the product over the original barcode is the best way to do it. Now which one should you use? Now using the manufacturer barcode is obviously much easier because you don't have to print out your own barcodes. But we do recommend to use the Amazon barcodes, and the reason for this is something called co-mingling. And what this basically means that when you send your products into Amazon, they'll be put in with other sellers' products. Now what can happen is if you sell a product, potentially they may actually send out another seller's product as they're all bundled in together or co-mingled. And the issue with this is that you don't know how other sellers are actually looking after their stock. They might look after it really well, but they may look after it terribly, and it might be in really bad condition. So you want to be making sure that when you sell a product, that it's actually the stock you've sent in. So to do this, we use the Amazon barcode, and in that way, you'll always be selling only your stock, and it won't be someone else who's sent it out. So now we'll pick this, we'll click save and continue. So now we're on the send to Amazon page, and the first thing we're going to do is look at the prep and the labeling details needed. So you'll see a number of prep options, but we don't need to do this. So all we will do is we'll go to no prep needed, and we will click save. But it is worth understanding what all the different prep requirements are. So we will link in the description a breakdown of what they actually mean and when you need to be using them. Who labels a unit? So we'll click by seller. You can get Amazon to do it, but as you can see here, it will cost you 15p per unit, and that is plus that as well. So please bear that in mind. So let's click save. Now we're going to sort our number of units we're sending. So we've purchased 10 of this, and then we're going to click ready to pack. And there you'll see a little button here which says print all SKU labels. You can do this now, or you can do it at the end. It doesn't matter at all, but just to show you what they look like. So this is where you need label paper. So you'll print off these barcodes onto label paper, and then you'll just stick that on the product, ideally over the original barcode. So once you've done that, you're going to click pack individual units. We'll see two options here. How many boxes will these units fit into? So either everything will fit into one box, or multiple boxes will be needed. So because it's only a small shipment, everything will fit into one box. So we'll click confirm. Now we need the box dimensions. So this is the box we're using to send these in. This one it's 254 millimeters, so it's 25.4 centimeters by 20.3 centimeters by 20.3. And then the box weight, this is why you're best off doing all your labeling first, so you can actually get the box set up and you know how much it's going to weigh altogether. So our box weight is 0.8 kilograms, 800 grams. So once we're happy with this, we'll click confirm packing information, and then we're going to click confirm and continue. Okay, now we need to select a ship date. So we'll just do for the next Monday just here. And because it's a small parcel, we're going to click small parcel delivery SPD, and this is where it is going. So it'll get sent to an Amazon warehouse. It will then get transferred likely to another warehouse, depending on where they think the stock is best suited. But that's not a problem at all. Amazon do take care of all of that. Okay, so now we're going to come down and pick our partner shipping. So we're going to use UPS. And once you're happy with all that, and you'll also see all your pricing here. Just remember the pricing will be plus VAT, so the price you see won't be including the VAT, so there will be an extra 20% on top. Obviously, if you are VAT registered, claim that back. And then we're going to click accept charges and confirm shipping. And now we're going to be taken to step 3, which is to print the box labels. So all we have to do is select how we want to print them, so thermal printing, letters, and so on. And then we're going to click print just here. Then it's going to bring us our labels, and we're going to print this out, and we're going to stick this on the outside of the box. So now we've set up the parcel, we have two options. We can either drop the parcel off ourselves to UPS, or we can arrange a free collection. So obviously you may as well arrange a free collection if you don't have to do that, but for most people it will be easier. So to do that, we're going to come over to the UPS website and schedule a parcel collection. And what we're going to do is going to follow the steps through, get this parcel collected. So firstly, do you have a pre-printed UPS shipping label? Yes. So we're going to come back over here. First up, we need to get our tracking number, which is just here, but it's easy to get it off the Amazon page. So you just go over to tracking details and click copy of tracking ID, and then put that in there. And as you'll see, you'll get a little message here which says, note you entered the tracking number that can be used for a prepaid on-call collection. No further payment is required. So that's great. So now we're just going to fill out all the details. So I'm just going to fast forward this bit just because it's a bit boring. Okay, and now we're on step 4, so we can do our collection date and time. So we're just going to pick this for next Monday, and then we can pick the time. You can also leave special instructions if needed, and then we'll click next, and then you'll get all your information here. Then your collection request will be complete. So that is the most up-to-date way of arranging your shipments to send them into Amazon's warehouse. As you can see, it's not difficult at all, and it doesn't really take much time. So we hope you found that video helpful. If there was any other videos you'd like us to make, just let us know in the comments. And if you were still thinking of joining Profitl and you haven't done so yet, we do have an exclusive YouTube discount code, which I'll just pop up here. So please do take that down. All of our links are in the description. But thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.